All right, guys, so today we are looking at how we get our notes from the treble clef onto our piano itself. All right, so let's first off take a look at the piano. So right here is, this is an actual picture of a piano, and all these keys right here are labeled the specific note that they are. Okay, so the one C that we know about is middle C. Okay, and this is C octave 4. Now these octaves help us keep track of this pattern, exactly how high or low is the note. Okay, the most important information is that it is a C, but secondly, we want to know on this C where exactly is it, because we have right here 1, 2, 3 different C's. Okay, so our middle C is C4 on the treble clef. Our C4 is right here. Okay, so that ledger line below the staff, that one is our C4. That is middle C. Now on all the other notes, we need to see how high or low above that is the note. All right, so to help you out with that on the website for you guys, I have this little diagram, and it helps show you right here. We have middle C, C4. It's showing you that one is right there, and on the treble clef, it happens to be right here on that note as well. We can take a look at this useful tool right here for you guys to see exactly which C or which note we are going to be getting to. So this is an example assignment for you guys. Right? We want to know for you, what are the keys, what are the piano keys for these notes right here. All right, so on number 29, my 29 is different from your 29, but on 29 I have this note right here. Okay, it is above the treble clef, and I need to figure out exactly which note that is. So I get over here to this document, and I take a look at it, and I try to find it on the treble clef. I go up and up and up. It is the first space above the treble clef. All right, awesome. That one is the first space above the treble clef. I know it's a G, but which G is it? All right, it is just below. Okay, I have A5 right there, which is the highest note that we are learning right now. So I have A5 right there. So just below that would be the G right below A5. Or if I see right here C5, it's in between C and A, and that one is a G. So it is, and I scroll up here to see it, in between C5 and A5, that one is G5. So I type into my answer sheet G5. All right, next up, number 30. I go through the same process. It's the first ledger line above the staff. I take a look at my document. I see right there, that one. I get my reference notes. It's in between C5 and, oh shoot, that one should be C6. I'll fix that here in a second. Between C5 and C6. And that would be our A between C5, C6. A between C5, C6 is A5. Okay, so right here I put A5. Next one, we have a second line. We know that one is a G. It's just above middle C, so I know it's going to be a G4. Okay, now let's double check me on that. G4, second line. Yep, that arrow points back and forth, so it is correct. That one is a G4. The next one we're looking at is the space below the staff. Okay, space below the staff, I know that one is, bottom line is E. So space below the staff would be going backwards in the alphabet, a D. Which D is it? It's just above middle C, so it's D4. Okay, right there. That is the key that I would press just above middle C. One step above middle C. All right, and number 34. I know that this one is C4. That one is our middle C. It's the ledger line below the staff. And that is all we have for these are numbers 29 through 34 on your Module 5, Assignment 2. Remember, be better than you were yesterday.